It's a beautiful day here in Dallas, and we are at Union Coffee Shop, another stop on the road to ChannelCon, specifically to talk to Michelle about her inspirational story of how she got started in IT.
Before I got into IT, I was a flight attendant, so I did that for 5 years. In addition to that, I also worked in the training department, and I would help put together like curriculum and training videos and things of that nature. I was looking for something that was a little more mentally stimulating, and something that I really appreciate about IT is there's endless possibilities and endless problems that you can solve. You can never really get bored with IT because there's always something that can keep you occupied with it. Right now, what's most satisfying to me is realizing my own capability to learn, and especially to learn within this field. If you would have asked me 10 years ago if I could have seen myself in IT and if I, would have been capable of doing some of the things that I'm doing now, I would have said no. And especially with it having been such a short career so far, hardly a year, I surprised myself, and that's really rewarding to realize that this is something that I can get pretty deep into and enjoy as well. If I were talking to a group of girls that were coming straight out of high school or straight out of college, I would say challenge yourself. A lot of the time people or society can put women in a box, and they could say that, we're only capable of so much and we can only go so far. When you challenge yourself, a lot of the time, especially if you're able to achieve whatever it is that you're trying to achieve, it really helps you understand that you can truly do whatever it is that you want to do, whether or not there's other women within the same industry, or if you grew up with like a mentor that could show you those things. At the end of the day, if you just put yourself out there and you try, you absolutely can.
That was a great and inspirational story from Michelle, and if you'd like to share your story, do so in the comments below. But for now, we're getting back on the road to ChannelCon and we're headed to Austin.